High school students who are members of the orchestra, band, and choir participated in the annual Suburban East Conference Music Festival at Irondale High School. We spent the day working with prominent music professionals, polishing and perfecting our own musical skills, and listening to performances by our peers.
At Willow Lane, kindergarteners are wrapping up our lessons about kings and queens, the royalty party. We dressed in fancy clothes and enjoyed a royal ball. Go Bears!
Plants are blooming inside our science room at Area Learning Center. We constructed and installed a vertical garden using recycled water bottles as part of our environmental lesson. We are growing a variety of vegetables, including lettuce and radishes.
6th grade Minnesota history students learned about the importance of Dakota winter counts and applied them to their own lives. We identified one important event from our lives for each year and drew a symbol for each event. We used paper bags and worked to distress them, making it feel like they were animal hides, which Dakota used to create their winter counts. Go Bears!